No excuses. Do you ever feel like you're just stuck, living a life of repetition over and over again with the same daily routine, the same faces, the same people, the same everything? Well, I got tired. I was just over it. I needed to take a break.
Pineapple juice. Hello, Ava. What are you supposed to say? Good morning, mommy. Everybody say good morning, mommy. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, your hair's so pretty. We'll practice one for you. You look so pretty. You want more of this? Should I give it a little bit? Okay.
That would be to me.
And over the weeks, I was lucky enough to work with Teyo, and I did a whole video of unboxing almost all the items that I got from them. I put half of the video on Instagram and the remaining half, which was supposed to be for YouTube, I didn't just like how it turned out. Like, the camera was like tilted in a certain way.
I did not approve of it, so I deleted it. You guys wouldn't have, you know, noticed that the camera was tilted, but I would have noticed, and I did not like it. So yeah, we scrapped that. This was one of the items that I got from Teyo. It's a jewelry organizer. It has like 3 different compartments. The lower one is for like my bangles and my bracelets. Who says bangles these days? I love how it has like different compartments. In here you can put my earrings, my rings, and all of that. It has like a second drawer also for like more jewelry, and the lower one for my bracelets and wristwatch probably. I really do like it. It's just been sitting in my closet for like the longest of time, so I just feel like now would be the perfect time to get my jewelry organized. All my earrings, and this is what we have. I'm not a big fan of jewelries. I'm not a big fan of earrings. I barely wear them. So these are earrings that I own right now. I bought some of this from Shein and others from like different online vendors. This particular one, I love it so much. I got this from a Shein. No, not Shein, from Temu. It was supposed to come during December, so I could use like create some content. You know, it was Christmas, but it did not. I also got this particular one from Temu. It's a very cute bow-like earring. I love it so much. And most of the jewelries that I got are basically for my filming, you know, fashion content. Me, because I don't really make up when I do like my content. So I have like some earrings that are very colorful, like this yellow one, pink, green, and white. Yeah, so this is my little earring collection for some days, not all the time. Anyways, let's get right into the second one. These are the bracelets that I can find for now. Like I said, I really don't know where a lot of things are. So I have like this little stack of bracelets from an online vendor on Instagram. They have like very cute bracelets that can last a very long time. I think I started liking these items when I got ready for my trip to Morocco last year. So yeah, I hope to add like more stock to my collection, like basically different types. All I just knew is that I wanted to accessorize my outfits in a very short time, so I just like, give me that, give me this, give me that. So that was it. And I have like this very cute long earring that I got from Shein. I have not worn this one since I got it, and it's like 2 years now. The quality is still very cute, very good also. I can't remember where I got this one from, probably from a brand, I don't know, but it was surely like gifted PR kind of thing. Last but not least, I have like this chunky bracelets from an online vendor also. I'm just gonna put it right here. Oh, is it gonna fit? Oh my goodness, no. A bracelet cuff. I'm not really a fan of it because it like hurts me anytime I wear it, and definitely will not fit this space at all. Oh my goodness, it doesn't fit this space. I saw some of my jewelries, these very cute rings. I do love them so much. I also found these ear cuffs. I got these ones from maybe Temu or Shein, I don't know. But I wanted to try something new, guys. Who would believe I'm like trying ear cuffs? Anyways, I'm never going to like pierce my ear for anything, so I'm just gonna put it right here just so I know where exactly it is. Let me know your favorite jewelry store to like get like accessories.
For the longest of time, I have not worked out. I don't know why. I need to get my ass up and move my body. Making a whole lot of changes, and one of the changes is my going to church constantly. Some of you might not know, but I grew up being a pastor's daughter. Is that shocker? Like a branch pastor's daughter. We have to go to church every Sunday. We even do like midweek services. We have to like sit in front. At a point in time, I was part of like the choristers. I know it feels so hard to believe, but that was like my reality at one point in my life. Then I got married, I got kids, my dad passed away, and that was it. Earring of the day, this rose petals. Most of the time, I just tend to watch the teachings from church online, and you know, it works, it's okay, but I'm in my pajamas. I'm probably eating sometimes. Sometimes I'm like really concentrated. Sometimes I doze off. Let's be honest, okay? These things happen when you attend church online, like in the house. I don't know about you, but it happens to me. And I'm not really a fan of this new aspect of my life. Okay, sorry, now it's old. It's in the past because I'm trying to change it, right? Shoe of the day, outlash. I have decided that I would start going to church every Sunday. You know, one of the reasons why I didn't want to go to church was because of my kids. I don't really focus, I don't concentrate so much when these kids are involved. So that was one of the reasons why I stopped going to church. They'll cry, they'll be cranky, they want to walk up and down. I didn't like it. Most of the times I would go to church and I wouldn't hear what they're preaching, what they're teaching. I wouldn't hear a thing because somebody's screaming, "Mommy, mommy, mommy," and then they start crying. Everybody turns and start looking at me like the lady that can't control her kids. I know some of you can relate, but this year, 2025, I decided that come what may, I want to become closer to God. I want to get to know Him more. I want to give Him my time, my attention. I want to be in His presence. I want to dance to praise and worship. I want to pray. I want to bind and cast in the promises of God. I want to be in God's house. Yeah, I love it. Let's do a quick OOTD. I'm wearing this abaya boo from JTB. Oh, I really love it. It's so pretty. My bag, oh, I've forgotten the name of this brand, but it was gifted PR a while ago. I mean, like probably early last year, kinda. And my shoes are from Outlash. You guys already saw that. Earrings are from Shein, and I just like attached this cute pony. I think I'm gonna buy more of this because this year, one thing again I said I was gonna do is change my hairstyles, and this is like my second hairstyle of the year. Yeah.
Anywho, so that's it. And for jewelries, I'm not going to remove my Apple wristwatch. I'm sorry. Look, 1,100 and something step, right? Yesterday, the 1st of February, I did like 10,000 steps. So I'm gonna do 10k steps every day of the month. Because during my mental breakdown, I got like a couple of inches, so I have to lose weight. I'm sorry. There's no fashion in this one. I'm not changing it. For perfume, I'm gonna go with Lancome. Spray it over here. So I'm gonna wear this one. Yeah, it's so cute. Funny enough, it didn't go with my wristwatch. Anyways, that's a quick OOTD. I'm going to my father's house and I'll see you all probably when I get back.